In this video I'm going to show you how to hide followers list on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your Instagram application and then get in your profile. Just tap here on the profile icon and there near your photo you see and other people can see your followers and the people who you are following, and that's some kind of private information in sometimes, so you may want to be hide that information from strangers, from other people. You don't want to see that information. So let me explain you how to do that. For that, tap on that three lines icon right here, then tap on settings. Here select privacy and there you see private account feature. You can toggle it on to make your account private and make sure that your account is personal, because creator account can be private, so business account can be private. So to make our account private, first go to account and there at the bottom you see switch account type feature. Just tap on that and switch to personal account. Select it, the first option, and confirm that action. Now your account switched to personal. You go back to privacy and you can now turn on private account and there tap on switch to private button, and now your account is private and Instagram offers us to review your followers. So we can tap on review followers button and now remove some followers we don't want to get our private information. So that's it, how it works, and I hope it helps you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.